Hello everybody, welcome back to my HTML tutorial. This is episode 3, part 3. So, I took the liberty to create the part 3 file. Yours does not have to look the same. We're just going over the skills and stuff, but it's going to be organized. You can follow me. It works however way you want to do it. Last time we did images and break tag. Today we're going to go a little bit more into images and we're going to start. I know, it's early. We're going to go into CSS. I'll explain CSS as soon as we get to it. But I forgot one thing about images, so we're going to get that out of the way. We're actually going to do something else too. I'll show you real quick, and I'll explain that to you. So this will be an interesting video because we're going to go through a lot, and we're going to get more and more harder. We're going to get more advanced as we go on. So we have our same text, and the only thing I changed was I deleted the linked image, and I just kept the one that I had downloaded locally on my own device. So what I didn't show you was how to create the kind of like a title for your image. So all you gotta do here is just add alt equals whatever you want. I'm gonna do HTML. You're like, what does an image title mean? Why and what does it matter? Well, we're gonna pull up what our folder looks like again. This is what my folder looks like. Want to follow along? That's fine. And there we go. Here's part 3. And usually, actually, I'm not sure yet, but, whoa, sorry. What our alt does is usually if you hover over the image, it will show up as like a tag under it. But I believe, since it's a locally downloaded, it won't work. That's unfortunate because I didn't want to do that. Actually, real quick, let's just try this. Why not? Let's try that. Alright. So what I did was I just copied the image we found online. Again, any image works. Find an image online. It could be a picture of a dog, a cat, whatever. Doesn't matter to me. And yeah, I guess it doesn't happen all the time, but usually if you just hover over this, there's like a text box that says like what the image is. It isn't happening now, but I see HTML head.jpg. It is what it is. It's fine. And alt just gives a title to the image. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, I'm trying to. In my opinion, it doesn't really matter. You can do it. It doesn't affect. It doesn't change anything too far. Next up, we're gonna do the division tag. Division tag looks like this. If you know a bit about HTML, is what you're gonna see. Division tag is just this. Now, what is a division tag? A division tag helps us change the layout of the website that we're creating by splitting it into sections. Whoa, what? How do we split into sections? That's crazy. It's not crazy. We're gonna actually replace our break tag right here, and we're gonna throw in a. Why not we put a division right here? Put a division tag right there, and we can just divide this. Why did I wrong? Okay. So we're gonna want to make this one of our divisions. Why am I in all caps? I don't know. Guess I hit it. And we're gonna do a closing tag. So this is our opening tag. Div is for division. And we're just gonna do. What is that? Div. To close it off. And if we're gonna go to our website, we actually see that the break is gone. And I think this actually explained it really well. The division tag has no special meaning at all. It represents its children. Children's kind of confusing, but the children is what is inside of this. Actually, making it more organized. Why does that go away? This here is its children. Like what? Children? How do I get the children? It can be used in class, slang, title, semantic comment to a group of consecutive elements. Basically, we're just grouping this up. Your mind's blown yet? It's not. I know, it's not. We're barely even far. But your mind's at a break now. There's a reason why we do div. And it's because we're going into CSS. CSS. Let me try to think what it's called again. It is cascading, style sheets. And basically, we're just adding style to our website. So in style, you're like, what is style? Style is anything. It's just colors. You can change the design. You can change the shape. You can change anything with CSS. But for right now, we are just going to do color. And we're going to go more deep later. But this is what a default CSS structure looks like. So we have style equals our CSS property. So example of property will be color, background color, font color, etc. And then we have our value. So for example, we can do color here, and our color can be blue. We could do background color here, color red. So basically, what we put here is what we want to change, and what we put here is what we want to change it by. If that makes sense, I hope it does. So in our div, we're going to do style equals background color. See, you can actually do all the things here. There's so much. Background color, and we're going to switch it to so aqua. Aqua's a nice color. And you can also type in the hexadecimal for the color you want to choose. That is up to you. And we're going to do another div tag here to have this changed. We're going to actually put it up to here. So again, remember to have your closing tag or else it won't work. And our style here will be, let's do font. So the text, how do we do font color? Forget. It's different. It's just color. And let's do it to, that is not brown. Let's just try red. So let's see what this does here for us. And there you go. That did work. Color is font. Sorry about that confusion. So what we did here is we switched the background image of this division of just this to aqua. And this, we just changed the font to everything in this division into red. So if you don't know why we did division, it's because this here, all of these paragraphs are this division's child. I know, what? It had a baby? And everything here is this child, this division's child. And since we can put it all in one, we don't have to say this paragraph color red, this paragraph color red. We don't have to do this background aqua, this background aqua, this background aqua. We can just group them all into one thing and call it its children. Now, how do you feel? We just did CSS. How are y'all feeling? CSS will come to you. Don't worry. There's a lot. There's a lot, and you may not even. I don't even know what most of them are. So don't stress about it. This is just the basics, so don't worry about it. Take a seat back. You'll be fine. Trust me. So this is what we ended off with part 3. I will adjust this for part 4 for what I think is what we're going to need to know. So, again, in this in this part, we did CSS. The biggest thing we're going to do is probably CSS. We did divisions, and we did an alt tag. Again, alt tag is just naming the image on the website. It doesn't really change too much. Just wanted to show you that that's how you do that. So, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.